Lucas Transmission Fix is a non-solvent solution formulated to stop slips, hesitation, and rough shifting in worn, high-mileage transmissions. Lucas Transmission Fix falls under our hot rod, everyday car care, and heavy-duty trucking categories. To use it, simply add it to your existing transmission fluid. The results are effective and usually immediate. It starts with cleaning and lubricating the valves, keeping them from sticking to allow for proper shifting. Operating temperatures are lowered to stop foaming. The Transmission Fix's polymeric film also renews worn bands to prevent slipping. Most seal leaks are completely eliminated, making this an excellent product to use for worn down or hard shifting in light-duty manual transmissions. Transmission problems aren't something you want to ignore. They're difficult to fix and have a tendency to be very expensive. The most effective way of dealing with transmission issues is to stop them before they start. And when it comes to preventative maintenance, it doesn't get much better than Lucas Transmission Fix. With the exception of CVT transmissions, it's compatible to all types of automatic transmissions and transmission fluid. For trailer towing trucks, motorhomes, and all other vehicles with hard-working transmissions, it's a must-have. Like all Lucas Oil products, everything you need to know is on the bottle.